Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So starting off my morning with a lemon shot plus a workout routine. I know you guys have been asking me to vlog about my workout, and just because I don't show it in the vlogs doesn't mean I don't do it. I just want to show you kung ano yung ginagawa kong routine, especially now that I've moved here and I have like this space to work with. Lemon shot muna tayo. Cheers! Finally done. So that was a quick 12-minute workout. I sweat a lot. I'm tired. But that's your goal. Yung point na hindi ka na makahinga, yun yung goal mo, girl. So anyway, that's it. Super productive morning so far, guys. I'm about to go on Facebook Live. Kakatapos ko na mag-film. Naka-film ako anyway. Papakita ko na kung ano yung itsura ng bell. Kasi diba kumuha ko ng... No, I mean, I chose bell sa event kahapon. So, I'm just gonna do a Facebook Live and show you guys kung ano yung itsura ng bell. Set up na natin to, okay? Naka-film ako. I'm so happy. Alright. Hold on. A new vlog is also up on my channels if ever you want to watch yung mga swatches and Disney Princesses lip colors from Happy Skin. You are very much welcome to go to my channel and check it out. Live na tayo, girl. Live tayo. Okay. We are live once again. I just finished filming a video. I'm actually, wait, nag-vlog din ako, girl. Ayun na yung live natin. Super perfect nung itong lagay na to kasi perfect tripod siya without being a tripod. Anyway, for my lip color today, I am going to be wearing something that I got from Happy Skin kahapon. Naka-up na yung vlog, ha? So if ever napanood nyo na yung vlog, alam nyo na yung mga swatches, di ba? Alright, so I'm just gonna put it on. Mahangin ba? Hindi naman siguro, no? Done na ako mag-live, guys. So now I am just gonna wait for Jess and then we're gonna go ride the Benefit Caravan. Now riding Uber, guys. We're gonna pass by Jess. Nasa may, ano lang siya, worsty. Grabe, Trump won. Kaloka, guys. So anyway, people are going crazy sa lahat ng social media sites and scary. Anyway, the Benefit Caravan team are running a bit late. So medyo malilate kami mag-ano ngayon. Pero we're having early dinner here at Wrong Ramen. I'm with Jess, wifey.
Okay.
May super funny nangyari kanina. Pagbaba namin ng Uber, umikot siya, umikot din ako. Ayun. Ako, ano sa'yo?
Itong concert.
Dalawa talo.
That's all po. Anything else?
Yun lang. Now is the time to comment in the comment box below kung anong gusto nyong i-ano namin ni Jess, i-collab namin ni Jess. Kasi madami na kaming ideas. No, girl, no?
Sobrang dami, hindi namin maisip kung ano.
Parang 10 years kitang hindi nakita. Okay, no?
I was thinking, why don't we shop together? Actually, may isang subscriber na nag-suggest ng place in Manila. So, Daiso-ish daw siya.
Parang sinend niya sa akin yan. Oo, sinend niya sa akin yan.
Oh my God, wow. I feel so special na.
Oh my
Send niyo pa rin sa lahat. No? But yeah, Daiso-ish.
Sige, puntahan natin. Makati, no? Ano nun? Parang something chuvanes?
X2
Klavu. Oh, okay. Kala ko niluluto. Okay, sorry. Binabaptize pala.
Ganda ng background.
Talaga?
Tayo ba?
Girl, ang ganda mo here. Smile. We ordered tonkotsu rich. It looks so rich and fair. Pareho kami na-order ni Jess kasi ginaya niya ako, of course.
Sa-selfie pa ako.
Ayan. Thank you, kuya. Pina-change namin yung music kasi medyo stressful yung music kanina. Oh, look at that, guys. Woohoo! Ang sarap. Kuya, anong mali dito?
Oh,
Di ba wrong ramen? Anong mali sa kanya?
wala naman po.
Ano?
Kasi kung may fusion na po.
May fusion.
Hindi ko traditional yung mga ginagamit.
Ah, ganun?
Hindi ko traditional authentic Japanese.
Ah, okay. Yung pala yun. So, walang mali sa kanya. Bongga yan.
Si Murphy.
Hindi lang sila gumagamit ng usual na ano,
Ano yung hinalo niyo
ingredients.
na ano?
kakaiba.
Oo.
Na hindi ginagamit usually.
Secret po yun.
Secret?
Okay.
Bawal sabihin sa amin. Okay lang yan. Secret daw, girl. Ah, ganun pala. Secret. Ito yung sinasabi ni Jess na sobrang packed talaga for the, volumizing the hair. It's called Puff. It's called Pop Puff. Oh, Pop Puff. Hair volumizer. How much to Jess?
249.
Saan mo nabili?
Personal care exchange. I love that concept.
Sa ibang, ano kaya meron din? Ibang branch? Shit, 250 lang, girl.
Okay, ayaw mag-zoom. Tap mo siya.
Yan, mahirap yun eh. Wow! Oh, yes? Sobrang ganda.
Dagdag ka ba if you want? Dito, sa likod.
Lalo na kapag curly, tapos... Love it. Jess, ano ulit yung hair anong color ng hair mo, girl?
This is Manic Panic Vampire Red.
Vampire red. So may iba pang shade ng red.
Ang dami.
Shucks. Saan may bili Manic Panic?
Rainbow Head PH.
Online. City. Our ride is here, guys. It's the benefit van. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that. Wow. Guys, clerks. Hey!
Welcome!
Oh my gosh, ang cute!
cute! See? I love it.
Thank you.
me.
This is Jess.
Hi, Jess!
Pack na pa. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda, girl.
I love that you're in pink pa.
Cute.
Champagne.
Oh
Yeah.
my, ang cute.
Oh,
Come inside.
wow.
Nakakatakot na may hand.
Ang cute.
This is Miss Selena.
Yeah.
We're just gonna take a bunch of photos with the van. Nakapark kami dito sa Anto, girl. Ah, kakaway sana ako sa may mga tao.
High Street
Super
ata.
cute.
Yeah.
Ayan.
It's just plastic, pero...
Meron silang event Friday and Saturday sa may ROX High Street daw.
Yes.
Pack. Ganun. So, meron kaming ganun.
Yun na.
Ayan, buwis buhay dahil madaming kotse at pipicturean kami. Ayan, look at that girl. Anyway. Ayan, we just finished the photo shoot with the van. Super fun.
wanna have her
Buwis buhay. Super fun, guys. Look at that. As in, super cute na van. You'll see this going around. They're gonna have an event on Friday and Saturday. I'll have all the links in the information box. Super fun! I had fun, Jess.
I had fun too. Forever. Buwis buhay.
Woohoo! I'm home, guys. Sobrang okay talaga nung pop powder na pinatry sa akin ni Jess. So, grabe sobrang volumized talaga. So anyway, I am getting ready for a Facebook live session. I think this is something that I really should do. I told you in the vlog yesterday that something happened na gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. So I'm gonna do that. If you wanna watch the live session again, I'll have the link in the information box. So I promised 9 p.m. so I have time to set up and then oh wait lang, maganda tayo. Grocery haul muna tayo. I bought some stuff from Robinson Selections after having coffee with a friend sa Watering Hole. So, okay, let's do this. It was super fun going around the Benny van. Grabe. So anyway, oh my gosh, ang cute. It's called the Kissy Missy. Wow. Inside, we have the revved up red, pink thrills, and the Benetton and the lolly pink. How cute! Ang ganda ng lagayan. Okay, that's that. And then sa Robinson Selections naman, I got a few stuff. Alright. My favorite, I got Loker. Medyo yung iba junk, pero I'm craving for sweets. I have Chips Ahoy. I have Crunch. PMS ako, girl. Okay, it's okay. Since meron akong menudo cut na pork, I got myself Korean barbecue marinade mix. Magluluto tayo maybe later on or tomorrow. Linguine pasta, carrots, and repolyo. Yan yung mga pinamili ko sa grocery. Na-realize ko lang, ang mahal pala sa Robinsons Selections. Like yung mga ano nila, patatas, ganyan. Mahal pala. Currently doing a live FB session, mga mag-iisang oras na kami. Grabe, I love it. And nagluto na ako ng food, guys. So I have here pasta, the regular pasta with the sauce. And then we have bangus for the topping. So this is gonna be my dinner. I was supposed to go out for dinner. Gusto ko kumain ng pad thai, pero sabi ko, magluluto na lang ako para hindi sayang pera, girl. So, yun, having fun! Look at this, guys. Oh, sarap! Kain na ako. Ihahaluin ko na siya. Ending the vlog here, guys. I have to edit as usual, and then tomorrow we have an event with Lise. So thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Actually, sabi nila
Thank you very, very much for sharing. And that is bring awareness
I don't
to
really know.
Now,
Anyway, we're checking out itong mga palette, Elsa and Anna, Happy Skin and Disney collaboration. Super back, diba?
round of applause for
Okay, ito yung powder, guys.
knowing that, Cyrus is actually
Ang ganda ng packaging, no? If you're a Disney fan.
because that's really the reason.
Tapos, meron tayong lipstick. So, this one is Elsa.
And let's make sure let's put a stop to all of that so that these girls can have hope to grow up.